Welcome back. We got more work to do on this thing. Right here, to-do list. I am waiting on some parts like the coolant neck, water temp gauge. Today, I think we're gonna do some spark plugs, put the side skirts on, possibly try to get the passenger seat in. Buddy David was nice enough to lend me some spark plugs. Let's get started on that. We're gonna just put that there. Done. Now, doing side skirts. Gotta drill some holes. Drilling holes. And then we're putting rivets in said holes. Boom. Solid. Here we go. Like a 20 footer.
20 footer.
Yeah.
Matches the rear now a little bit. I just need a sick front.
I don't have any good parts right now. As soon as I started recording. Fucking Christ. Side skirts are on. Riveted to the fender, the body, and the quarter. Looks a lot better. Yeah, that's not bad at all. Now this side's a little jank because I'm lazy. Don't feel like going back to the store for some different rivets. So you got rivets there, the door jams, little self tapper, and a zip tie. Side skirts, done. Welcome back. It is the next day. I decided to plug the antenna hole. Already prepped it and everything. Cut this out. We're gonna go ahead and weld that in there because I don't plan on having a radio. Yep. Tack her in, beat her in, make it fit. There it goes. I'm gonna go all the way around after it cools off a little bit. Grind it down, make it smooth. Like it was never there.
Yes, sir.
Don't forget, kids, turn off your gas. Get in there.
Like, just be careful not to hit the piece you put in.
Yeah.
Or the body too much when you're trying to open that part.
It's my first year. It's like at least 6 years old. but it's pretty flat. There's a little ripple right there. Just primered it, letting that dry a little bit. Probably gonna add a few more layers of primer on there. You can see the ripples and the metal. But you know what? This car is not meant to be perfect. It is meant to drive and drive well. That is it. You're gonna see a lot of imperfections in this car. It's not meant to be a nice car, and I don't really care to make it a nice car. What this thing is meant to do is go on track, go sideways, and do it well. That's what it's gonna look like. It's a big square primer block. Went ahead and bolted the 3 spots I could on the passenger seat. I'm gonna make a stud to go right there. Sand it down, basically I just cut off the head of a bolt. Used a belt sander, made that smooth. This is gonna sit underneath that way I can put a nut on it. Let's weld the rest of this out. Don't worry, it's weld through primer. It's ugly, but I think it'll get the job done. Seat is bolted in fully. Not going anywhere. Marked it off the list. That's gonna be it for this video. Hope you like it. If you do, make sure you hit the like button, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next.